So here is a low-fat, easy meal option. If you have some leftover chicken that you know is probably not going to last too much longer, throw it in a food processor and break it up into little smaller pieces. This is a little dried out. We're going to go ahead and squeeze in some mayonnaise. I'm not a big fan of mayonnaise, but this is a good low-fat option. I'm just going to make a homemade chicken salad. It's already a seasoned chicken that I had made before I had my surgery. So we're just going to squeeze that in there, and we're going to get this all mixed up. And again, the amount of mayonnaise you use will determine on how dry or wet you want your chicken, right? So it seems pretty dry. It's been in the fridge for a while. It still looks pretty dry, so we'll add a little bit more mayonnaise to it. What? I'm making my lunch. Making a chicken salad.
I want another piece of cookie.
No, we're making brownies, remember?
But I don't want another brownie.
Huh?
I don't want one.
Well, we're gonna eat lunch soon. Maybe Brenda will bring up the ham and you guys can make ham soon.
But I like grind up ham like that.
Well, I don't know what's going on for lunch. You saw a fish in there too. Don't mess with the camera.
I move it carefully.
No, John. I said stop.
But I want another.
No. You had enough. You can always use barbecue sauce or something that another more seasoning. You could do like a ranch to mix up the flavors a little bit. It's still kind of dry. But we're getting there. You could always add some color to it if you wanted to do some peel some carrots, some grated carrots in here to make it a little bit healthy. You could add some greens, some spinach, or you can even go a different route and add some dried cranberries if you wanted more of a fruity seasons. My spinach went bad. I'll see if I have anything in the fridge I can be able to add to this. Make it a little bit healthier. So we're going to go ahead and scrape the top off of this. This is the electric food chopper from Pampered Chef, and guys, it is on sale for $30 when you join as a consultant. Otherwise, it's $99. potatoes and some broccoli. And give it a little bit more of a salad type thing. And maybe I'll add the moisture too. It's still kind of dry. This broccoli is about to go too. So let's see if we can kind of overfold them. We'll see how this works. I'm going to scrape some of the sides off. Push it down in there as well. I got some of it grounded in there. Still kind of dry. Let's see if we can play with it a little bit more. Alright, and then what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to use a tortilla shell. And we're going to do like a little wrap. Because these are, again, low fat. Because of my surgery, I need to have a low fat diet for a few weeks. So this is a great dish. And it's super easy to make with a couple ingredients. And what's nice is that you can use, again, those leftover veggies that might be in the refrigerator. You can see that looks really good actually. It looks healthy. If you want to, you can always top it with some like spinach or some greens or some cheese. Thanks for watching.